Okay, part two of the taking the boot apart for the light cluster on the tailgate, which I've removed mine now on both sides. So they look like that. That's removed. There are 3 bolts. Okay, those 3 there, and there's a wiring like a plug here. You need to push through, and reveals the plug behind. Disconnect the plug, remove the grommet here and push it upwards, remove the plug and take out the 3 bolts, and what you'll get is the light will come out at the side there and just jimmy itself out, just a little bit of a maneuver just to remove it out. Okay, do that on both sides, and then you'll have your light clusters out. My light clusters were full of water actually, so I've now got mine here in the house in the warm. That's what it looks like when I've just got the cap off, the rear cap. Okay, and this is what it looks like when it's fully open. So what you'll find is, if you have a light bulb gone, it's one of these lights here, this one here. One's reverse and one's a brake light. Inside the circuitry here is the LED lights for the brakes. What I had when I opened the case is one of the transistors came off, so sorry, one of the diodes came off, and I resoldered it back on. So just be careful with the circuitry when you do remove it. If you do have water ingress for a while, you'll have corroded contacts, which, as you can see on there, a few corrosions on that contact which I'll need to clean up. So I'll just take this up open to show you. Now, the part that is difficult to find, believe it or not, is these bulbs here. Now, be careful with these because they pull straight out. That's the only way I found it that it comes off, and it actually connects with there's 2 pins that go out of the bottom of that black case, and it's actually called at Audi, it's called a black case bulb. A bulb with black case, I think, is the official title for it. Bulb with black case. You pull that out, and it's actually resting on 2 contacts by the pins underneath, which actually go through to the filament of the bulb. So as a normal bulb, you've got two wires from the filament, and they protrude to the bottom, through the bottom of the black casing, as you can see, and actually make contact with the circuit. So just be careful with those because they are expensive. To me, they're expensive. I found I had to go to Audi, and they were £29 something and some change. So that's £29 each, which I thought was expensive. I tried other places. They're only available through Audi. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for my new bulb to come in tomorrow. And at the moment I'm drying it all out with a hairdryer with these 2 holes here. And there is a drain plug just here. But what I'm doing is draining it through the holes and hair drying it. Make sure everything's sealed, everything clean throughout. Now, I found a leak in this area here in the corner. I was able to blow dry through this area and could feel the warmth over at this other hole here. So I knew I've got a leak here. So there are various ways to do it, but because it's got circuitry on it, I don't want to put any water and blow water in through. So I would say avoid that. Hair drying it, and then I'm just going to use some silicone seal. I've got some cleaning wipes to clean all around the seal here. Give that a good clean. There you can see the other vent hole. It's good for taking some water out, but not all of it. So I'm just going to use some silicone sealant that I've just got lying around the garage. And I'm going to gently go around the the bottom edge of the light all the way around, and this area where I think is like a common place. Also, these seals are a bit perished, so I'm going to try and either replace them or I'm going to try and seal them up, whichever best I can do. I hope this video helps someone, even if it's just one person. I hope it helps one person at least, and hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.